So for the card you will need the cutting template that you can find on the website. You also need some heavyweight cardstock in the colour of your choice. I've chosen this rather nice purple colour. The cardstock that I've used for the actual base of the card and the lid is about 260-280 GSM. I've also chosen some lovely accent papers from First Additions, mainly because it goes nicely with the purple that I was looking for, and it sort of has sort of a Mother's Day feel to it. And then in addition to that, I've also used some glitter vinyl. This is a Silhouette brand glitter vinyl, just for my sentiments, because I just find it cuts really well with the real sort of fine details. Okay, we'll get straight onto it. So first thing I like to do is take the base of the card, and all the score lines are already done. So if you've got a Silhouette, these will be like a dashed cut line, and also the same for the Cricut users, the circuit users, sorry. So all I'm doing is I'm folding along the score lines. Oh, that camera's a bit wobbly. There we go. And then we have these heart sections here, and you can just fold them over like that. You can see how I'm folding into those sections just to get the folds. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're going to crease all the score lines, and then we're going to start adding the accent papers. There we go. So as you can see, this makes the box. Base the box like so. And I'm just going to decorate the outside. So this is the outside of the box. And for that I have cut 4 sets of the accent papers with these lovely little love hearts at the bottom. So they need to go at the bottom of the box, so facing inwards like that, because this is the bottom of your box there. And I'm just going to use a glue stick to do that. Glued a piece, and again I'm just going to fold down the creases. So these come out as dashed cut lines rather than score lines. And I'm just going to use some double-sided sticky tape to stick that down. Which has the 4 hearts around the edge and also 4 hearts in the centre. They make almost like a 4-leaf clover sort of pattern. So I suppose if you did it in a nice green colour, you can even give it as a gift card for St. Patrick's Day. Again, I'm just using a stick. Just centre that on the box. And actually, turn it over. Down really well. There we go. And then just to brighten up this edge here, I'm using our craft tape. Okay. It's going to go all the way around the end. Just to firm it down a bit. There we go. That's that all finished. Okay, so now this bit should have dried. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn it over, and we're going to decorate in what is in effect the inside. So I've got another central piece here, which is similar to the top of the box. This actually ends up coming together really quick. Plenty of glue on there. There we go. And then I've got these lovely little heart details, which I'm just going to go around and put in the 4 corners. So I've just done these on one side. You could do them on each one if you wanted to. Just flip the design over in Design Space or Silhouette Studio or whichever program you're using, and cut out. I have cut out, so this is on the double-sided card because you're going to see both sides of this card, and then fold over like so. See, sort of lift it. Now there's also on the file, on the template, there is the inside, an insert for these, so that if you wanted to write a message or put a nice photograph in them, you could totally do that using the inserts. And there we go. And then I always put this one, the second one, I do opposite there, just because I think it gives a lot of balance to the card. And again, these papers are really pretty and they go really well with this sort of colour. One good tip when you're trying to match up papers and cards is to try and pick a colour that you have in your paper. So I picked this sort of this purple colour here that you can see it repeats in a lot of the papers here, and it matched really nicely with the card that I was using. There we go. And then again, you can see both sides of this one, so I've used both, and this will form a little tiny envelope. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the glue down this side here. So you don't need much for this. Like so, and when that dries a bit more, well, it's not quite dry enough, this will flick under like that once it dries. Okay. So you can put a little note in here, or maybe something that grandkids drew, or a little memory, or if you like money, if you're doing these for maybe a wedding, you can put some money in there, or a spa voucher, or an IOU for something you should have bought them for Mother's Day, but you get round it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do with these sentiments, I'm going to stick one on this part and one on this part. Hopefully without breaking it. So this is Silhouette brand glitter vinyl, and it is so nice. I don't know if it really does it justice on the video, but it is super glittery. I'm just doing it by eye. You can actually line it up and measure it so it's actually straight. Other than Happy Mother's Day, Happy Birthday, or Happy or Congratulations or anything like that, then you can find that. There we go. Right, so we've got those pieces, and then in the centre, so I did toy with the idea of lots of different things that I could put in the centre, but what I ended up going for was a flower. So I'm just going to put a big blob of glue, just normal PVA glue in the centre. And we have this lovely flower that comes with a cutting file. I won't show you how to put it together now, I'll save that for a different video. I'm just going to pop that in the centre, like so. There you go. So I'm going to give it a go, closing it up. It's not quite dry. That one a bit longer for yours. Fold it really nicely. the lid on. There we go. Really beautiful, super cute. Mother's Day card. Thank you so much for watching. Follow the links in the comments for information on all the materials and the files and the templates.